Hey, I have a confession to make. So I was gonna video our very first tomato coming off the vine for our channel and all our peeps, but something happened to it this morning. I'm not gonna lie. I ate it, and it was good, and I'm not ashamed. Hi, Daisy.
Hi.
So we got all these tomatoes here, and most of them are pretty green and unripe. But if we get down to the end, I have some Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes. I got some big old black ones, and I got some green ones. But way down at the bottom here, next to that big guy, was one that was like yellow and orange and red, and it had some purple streaks in it. And it cracked, so I had to eat it. Sorry about that. But I'm going to do a series on tomatoes really soon, and we'll talk about cracking and diseases and pruning and all that stuff. Okay, thanks, bye.